how to turn your account to a private account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch to a private account on your TikTok app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. Once you are there, go to your profile and now click on those three lines up there and click on your setting and privacy. And here you can find the second option, which is privacy. Click on it. The first option, which is private account, you can turn on this option, but you should know with a private account only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. And click on it and you can switch anyway. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.